Okay, I'm gonna make this one short today. No funded plays, just an eval play, and I'll tell you why. For conditions, came into the 1 hour today. Price was respecting this 1 hour fair value gap and continuing lower, edging this unmitigated monthly fair value gap down here, which was my clear draw today when I came on and saw us tap back into this 1 hour and continue lower. There we go. I tried this first 3 minute play. I was a little tired when I got on today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm keeping on it. I'm gonna be honest because I entered off this and I completely realized once I closed the trade that it didn't even close because I had my chart kind of like a little school. I don't know. I don't even know what was going on with me, but I wasn't paying attention and I paid for it. I definitely paid for it, and I realized, holy shit, I'm actually a dumbass. And it never actually fully closes because I closed my trade out here once we inverse back above the fair value gap. And I definitely beat myself up for that one. I was pretty stupid for that. Anyways, I re-entered off of this candle closing below the 3 minute that should have closed right here. And I held this till the monthly fair value gap on an eval. Reason I did not hold this on my fundeds was because I wasn't the most confident that we would see a complete flush down to the fair value gap with any retracement, without any retracement, because we did have liquidity above. So I just took this on an eval because I knew that was a possibility, just not something I wanted to risk all my fundeds. And as a trader, that's something you have to account for. When I don't see an A plus draw, I usually stay away from my fundeds, especially like today, knowing that my entry was literally 3 minutes before market open. And that's another thing. I don't enter any trades from 9:25 to 9:30 unless we have an A plus draw. So I entered this on my fundeds and I actually held through the market open, which I would never do. I never hold anything on my fundeds through market open because market open could take us as high enough to blow my accounts. Those are some rules I have for myself, and no matter what anyone says, I always stick by them because that's just what works for me. Anyways, I hold this until the monthly fair value gap. Monthly fair value gap gets hit. I drug my stop loss to here and see if we would run any lower. Ended up rejecting out of it. I got stopped out here because this candle went up and hit the fake profit. So I ended up making $700 because my first trade was around another $700 L for some stupid mistake I made, which again I was mad at, but I know I can make it back. And with this account anyways, I couldn't even have passed today because I need to stay within a 50% consistency rule. It is a Lucid Flex 50K, and I am about $1,123 off from passing, which I could see myself doing with FOMC tomorrow. The only reason I have this account is to have real-time data on my trading view because I don't like looking at the data that Alpha Trader gives me. And I also use it just to scratch my itch for trading when there's bad conditions and I can't trade on my fundeds. And I'm also trying to build up some more fundeds. All right, keep in mind FOMC is tomorrow, so I will not be trading in the AM session. I will be on my charts around 2 o'clock. And good luck to everyone who trades that. I love y'all boys. Hope you enjoyed the recap. Kept it short today. See you boys tomorrow. Have a blessed day.